Hi, in case you didn't know, I published a book for survivors of trauma.
Animal welfare. Dive into topics like this, including using scriptural dominion over animals properly, ethically. It matters, guys. These are our babies, and they depend on us. And what are we doing not taking care of them? It doesn't take much to give your local cat some food. Seriously, why do I have to publish a book to get your attention on the matter? Inner child. Everyone has one. Nurture yours. Heartbreak. It's part of life. Don't hide that. Empower yourself with the passion of its plight. Songbird, my psalms. Christ-centered poetry for the heartbroken and ostracized. Have a story? Be a guest on our up-and-coming podcast. Survivors, your story deserves to be heard.